Yo, what's going on, guys? Here's the trade that I'm currently in. It's going to be SMCI. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to trade trend lines. Here is the contract. Got them at $1.50. They were at about $2.42 today. When market wicked up all the way up here, take profit is going to be up here at this area of resistance right here. Okay, so let me show you guys how to trade trend lines, what you're going to go ahead and need, time frames, and yeah. Okay, one thing you're going to go ahead and need, first thing, start off by getting 2 time frames prepared, your daily and your 4 hour. Okay, so your daily and then your 4 hour. These are the 2 time frames you're going to go ahead and be using. Okay, your daily, your 4 hour. Check it. After that, I like to start on the daily time frame. Find yourself a stock that you like, get on your daily time frame. Okay, what you're going to go ahead and be looking for on the daily time frame is you're going to be looking for a place of resistance. Resistance is going to be an area where price decides to fall within a downwards direction. Okay, so whenever you see market just top out and then fall downward, that's going to be an area of resistance. Okay, but then whenever you see market bottoming out and going in an upward direction, that's going to be an area of support. Okay, so resistance is market going downward, support is market bouncing upward. Okay, now my daily time frame, I like to go ahead and look for stocks where it's not already at all-time highs. So some people are confident trading at all-time highs. Take Microsoft, for example. It's just been pushing into all-time highs and people continue to trade it and trade these wedges over and over again. But I like to trade stocks that aren't already at all-time highs that I know have some more upside, because what if you guys just get a crazy gap up or some news, there's going to be more of a catalyst to push it to all-time highs. So my daily here, you can see that there's more room to the upside here. Okay, so that's good. After that, I like to get on my 4 hour time frame. Okay, and some of the things are going to change up a bit. When I'm on my 4 hour time frame, I like to go ahead and look for key areas of resistance, so I can see that price decides to come into contact with the same area right here twice on the 4 hour. So I know that this area of resistance is fair. If you have struggles looking for areas of support resistance, go ahead and go to indicators, click on swing levels and liquidity by Leviathan, okay, and put a star by it. From there, go ahead and click on your settings, click on show volume, and turn it on. This is going to show you guys key areas. I don't know why the indicator's not working, but normally it works. I don't know why it's not working right there. Okay, indicator's not working right now. Forget it. Forget the indicator. It's trash. Indicators are trash. Forget it. I'm glad that happened. So look, find your key area of resistance. Okay, this is going to be for a downside. After that, grab your trend line. Okay, grab your trend line and draw it in a diagonal formation. Okay, it's not going to let you draw it. It's kind of hard to draw it incorrectly because you just line it up with the top. Like, you can't draw it like that and just line up with the top. You have to go down until the point lines up. Boom. Okay, this is the correct way. As you can see, once price decided to get above this trend line here, price decided to push up, and we're going to be making our way to here. Let's take profit. Boom. And realistically, you could do like no stop loss if you don't want. But yeah, stop loss on options I think is stupid. So yeah, take it all the way up. Price will most likely fill that gap. And you guys can continuously just farm this strategy and get rich off of this. So yeah, this is really just the easiest way to farm and trade trend lines. Don't make trading much more difficult than it needs to be. As you guys can see, I'm up in a profitable trade. So let me go ahead and show you another example. NVIDIA. Okay, I see there's some more all-time highs upside here, so I do kind of like that. So now I'm gonna get on my 4-hour, see if there's any resistance. Okay, check this out here. Look at this area of resistance right here, right? That was created. If I would have just done that, as you guys can see, once price decided to go ahead and get above this, boom. Even though we had this little bit of retest here, so you would have had take profit in 2 days, 3 days, yeah, 2 days, 2 days, you would have take profit. So yeah, and you would have did a resistance right here, take profit. As you guys can see, once price broke the trend line, boom, and we got to take profit. Extremely easy. From 138 to 143. Nice little move right there. And you guys can continuously do this. And even if market is in a downtrend, you can do this at areas of support. Take this trend line, for example. Okay. Boom, I can go ahead and see this area of support right here. Let me take this off. Boom. And then, see, price tried to break down here. Didn't quite hold, so now I can see that the trend line wants to be like this. Or, if the price just isn't how you want it, you can literally just go to a different stock. Trend line here. Check this out on Palantir. Okay. It just bounced off of this too. So I know that it wants to use this here, but this might break potentially. Then we might be able to gap fill maybe this area of support right here with the resistance. Might be able to gap fill like this area. If price were to fall. Quick puts, potentially. Very potentially. So yeah, this is just how you guys trade trend lines. I'm telling you, trading is not as difficult as it might seem. It's not as hard as it might seem. I want you guys to just start progressing, making things easy for yourself, and make trading simple. You're making it harder than it seems. Just trade your trend line, trade however you want to trade. Make it simple, don't make it hard. Stay prayed up with God. Take care of your family, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.